Welcome to Montgomery. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. This is for your safety as well as the safety of those around you. Once we are parked at the gate, please be careful with opening overhead bins to prevent injuries from bags that may have fall that may have shifted during flight. And if you pink tag the bag in the Atlanta area airport, please do not forget those pink tag bags, as they are not tagged with any other bags you may have checked in Atlanta. Those bags will be brought to you in the jetway as soon as possible. Once those bags are brought to you, just allow the ramp agents a good 5 to 10 minutes to get those bags retrieved and get brought to you. I do ask once you enter the jetway, as you exit the aircraft, to wait on the right side in the jet bridge to allow those bags to get brought to you, and to also allow other passengers to pass you on the left-hand side. It is now safe to use your handheld cellular devices, keeping in mind that large electronic devices such as your laptop, computers, and DVD players still must remain properly stowed. It was a pleasure having you on board today, and I hope to see you on another Delta Connection flight in the near future. And if Montgomery is home, welcome home to Montgomery. If not, safe travels for any future endeavors you may have. Once again, my name is Kiana, and have a great day in Montgomery.
618-980-8063. Yep. Yeah, but we'll be probably not full away. I'll send you home or something like that. Probably some lots. Start taking up. It's frozen. It's already butchered. Oh, it's good. Just wrap it up. Plastic bag. And they're kind of picky and dry ice and all that crap. Big in September, other than government, early September. October, Denver, back to October. Mid-September, Hawaii. He goes till the end of October. Well, I mean, really, when's the best time to go out? Like, you know, obviously, midday or yeah. Then it's like birds.
Yeah. So good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just kind of shut down after that. Shut down. And then probably and it depends, because that's usually when the English are falling, so it depends on
That's the big float. Big float. That's the back up on. Yeah. All right, we'll figure out time.